Most people think that earning money from YouTube requires appearing in front of the camera, needs expensive photography equipment, needs a fully equipped studio, or a crazy expensive room. And you cannot make high profits from YouTube even to do these things. But what if I told you that this YouTube channel, which is about study motivation, makes around $9K a month as an average by only making very simple videos without showing the face and without any expensive requirements that we mentioned before? What if I told you that this number is only an estimation, and the actual number multiple times more than this number? But let's assume that it makes $300 per day and build our today's video on how we can do exactly the same. In this video I'll guide you step by step how we can do that, quickly, easily, and how we can make $300 per day by creating very simple YouTube videos that anyone on this earth can do. And the most exciting thing is that you don't have to show your face, you don't have to break your bank and buy expensive cameras or any other tools. The only thing that you need to have is a laptop. And at the end of this video I'll give you a bonus crazy idea to multiply your profits and increase your earnings fastly by using the website. So stay tuned for that and watch the video till the end. Make sure to not skip any part of this video to avoid missing any amazing tool that I will use. And please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel as it encourages me to create more videos. Before we start, I want to show you how I got this example for a YouTube channel regarding study motivation. As a first step, I did a quick research, and I found that motivational content is one of the simplest and easiest topics that we can start our YouTube channel with, either preparing the content or creating videos, as I will show you in this video. After that I hit ChatGPT, and I asked it to give me 20 examples on YouTube channels for motivation to study. I did this because I want to check and see examples on videos related to the same niche that I want to make similar to, which is motivation to study, and to get a clear idea about generating the videos and what we should do. Now the answer is ready, and the chatbot gave us 20 examples on YouTube channels related to the same topic. And as you can see here, I found motivation to study, which is the same example that I showed at the beginning of this video, is one of these examples. So let's check the content of that channel together. As you can see here, we have various videos about the same niche, and it looks like each video contains motivational speakers. Let's check a random one to see the flow of the video.
It's today the day where you make excuses, or it's today the day you make a decision.
Okay, so the idea is very clear now regarding the videos. A motivational speech audio flows with suitable clips and stock footage related to that speech. So let's start and go ahead to the first step, which is getting motivational speech audios. So let's head to this website, which is archive.org. As you can see here, this website offers you over 20 million freely downloadable books, texts, and audios. And there is also a collection of 2.3 million modern ebooks that also can be used for free. As you can see here, this is the search bar where you can search for everything that comes to your mind. Here I'll search for motivation to study. So as you can see here, we have huge results regarding this topic. Look at this amazing filter, which will filter and arrange your videos up on views per week. And as you can see here, the results were arranged in terms of views per week from the highest to the least. For example, I'll choose this one. As you can see here, we have a lot of motivational speech with different time periods. Also, we can scroll down and see the download options. Press on Show All to see all audios. As you can see here, these are the files for motivational speech. You can check them all and select the one that is suitable for you. For example, let's check together this one, which has 4.3 million.
I firmly believe that everybody on this planet has a gift. It's your job to figure out what that gift is.
Yes, it's very suitable and pretty good. I'm going to download this audio, and we will assume that this is going to be the motivational speech in our video. So let's go to the next step, which is generating our video. You will not believe how this tool saves our time and money, and believe me, using this method is a big investment. So, let's head to InVideo. Check the link in the description. For those who don't know this tool, it's an AI tool that simplifies video creation with ready-made templates that you can quickly customize. So, let's start using it. I'm not going to use the Pro account. I'm going to sign up a new account to show you how the free plan looks and what you can do using the free plan. After signing up, now we are in the dashboard, and here we have multiple choices to create new video, which are templates, text to video, stock media, and editor. We're going to choose editor to create our video. Once you click, it's going to ask you to upload your media, so I'm going to upload the motivational speech that we've just downloaded. So what we're going to be doing is choosing a suitable scene or clip corresponding to each 5 seconds of our motivational speech. So, as a first step, I'm going to drag this audio here to start editing. But if you click on play, it's going to play only 5 seconds from the voice, although our motivational audio exceeds 16 minutes. See what I mean?
I firmly believe that everybody on this planet...
As I said, it's only giving 5 seconds, so we can solve this issue simply by adding a new scene and editing the time duration. So click on Scenes, then come here and press right-click, then select Edit Duration. For example, I will make it 1 minute. As you can see here, now 1 minute is available from the motivational speech, and in this case you can edit the scene's duration as you want. For me, as I mentioned before, I'm going to divide my video into partitions. Each one is going to be 5 seconds. So, I'm going to set 5 seconds for this scene. Now let's listen carefully and catch a word from this part.
I firmly believe.
Yes, we're going to be searching for believe and get a suitable clip for this word. Click on Videos, then search for believe. As you can see here, we've a lot of choices. Select a suitable one to be fit with the voice. For me, I'll choose this one, click on it to add. From here, you can trim the clip as you want and generate the best part for your speech. For me, I want the clip to start from here, for example. Then click on Add. We will adjust the duration for the scene to be 5 seconds as we mentioned before. After that, we're going to add a new scene to create scene number 2. Click on Add Scene, after that choose Blank Scene. Now let's listen and catch a new word to create scene number 2.
This planet.
Okay, we're going to be searching for Earth, for example. As you can see here, we have a lot of videos. For me, I'll choose this one. Let's add a pretty transition between the scenes. Click on this. As you can see here, we have 6 recommended transitions. I'll choose Fade, for example. See how it will look like. Let's do another scene together. Click on this to add a new scene. Then listen to get a new word.
It's your job to figure out what that gift is.
Here I'll search for someone who is focusing, which will represent to figure out word. This video looks suitable, I'll select it. Don't forget to add a professional transition. I'll use the same one which is faded. Let's see them all again together.
I firmly believe that everybody on this planet has a gift. It's your job to figure out what that gift is.
Okay, that's great and very easy. I don't want to make this video very long, so let me complete 30 seconds for example, then I'll come back to you to see the final result. I prepared a quick 30 seconds video. Let's see the final result.
I firmly believe that everybody on this planet has a gift. It's your job to figure out what that gift is. Then it becomes your job to decide whether you're going to act on that or not. Everyone sees the work that you put in, but it's what you don't see is going to determine how far you're going to get.
Remember that I did all of that with a new free account. Because of that, it has a bad quality and full of watermarks. Try to use this tool and generate a sample video, and if you decide to continue, subscribe to get the Pro account, then you will be able to export your generated video with a high quality and without any watermarks. In this case, our video is ready now to be uploaded on our YouTube channel. So the next step, let's go and create a new YouTube channel to upload our video on. I created this new brand YouTube channel to show you what we need to do before uploading our generated videos. As a first step, click on Customize Channel, then go to Basic Information. As you can see here, we can create a new attractive name for our YouTube channel, and if you don't have any idea about your YouTube channel name, I have a pretty solution for you. You can head to this website, which is used as a business generator name. All you need to do, type here something related to your niche. As you can see here, it generated a lot of new names. You can check them all and choose a pretty one to be your YouTube channel's name. Look at this name. Accelerate Study. It's a good name and I'll take it for my new brand channel. I'll type here in this field, Accelerate Study. Then you can add a specific new handle for your channel. Also, I'll add here the same without any numbers or symbols. It's accepted. After that, click on Publish. Then go to Branding. And from here we can add a new picture and banner and image for our YouTube channel. So let's head to Canva and create a quick simple picture and banner image. Click on Create a Design. Go to Custom Size. For example, I'll put it 700 in width and 700 in height. We will make a quick and simple design to avoid making this video too long. As a first step, I'll click on Text and drag this headline here. For example, I'll type Accelerate Study. After that, I'll go to Elements and search for a spark. Then, I'll drag this one here. I'll change the background and make it black, for example. I'll change the text's color and make it white. Also, I'm going to change the color of this spark and make it yellow. Yes, it's simple and professional at the same time, and it's suitable to be a picture of a YouTube channel. After that, and with the same procedure, I started a new design, and I made a very quick cover for the banner image, as you can see here. Let's come back to the channel, and here I'll upload the logo that we created on Canva. Then I'll upload the banner image. After that, click on Publish, then select View Channel to see them together. See how these designs look amazing and simple at the same time. No need more than that, and you can do it in only 2 minutes. And now we are ready for the last step, which is uploading the video. Click on Create, then select Upload the video. And drag your generated video here. Here we should create an attractive title for our video, and I'll type here, Stop Wasting Time, Get A+ Student Mentality, Best Study. Regarding the description, it's very important here to add the speakers' names who have the motivational speech that we took from, to avoid any copyrighted issues. So, make a list and write down the speaker's name for each audio that you will download. After that, you should upload a thumbnail for the video. It should be attractive and look amazing because it's one of the reasons for making people open your video. You can make a very quick and amazing design using Canva, similar to what we have already done for the picture and the banner image. Here we're going to select No, it's not made for kids. And now, as you can see here, it requests from you to enter the tags, which is related to the searching process. For example, I will type motivation, study motivation, and study. That's it, then click Next. And here, as you can see, we don't have any copyrighted issues, then click Next again. Here you can control the visibility of the video. I'll select Public. At the end, click Publish. And this is the whole process for generating and uploading a video on your YouTube channel. But now, let me give you the bonus idea, as I've already mentioned at the beginning of the video. Here, we can also add an affiliate link in the description related to specific products for each single video that we're going to upload on our channel. And we will earn commission from each purchase that comes through our affiliate link. Let's see how we can do that. We're going to head ClickBank, which is one of the biggest affiliate marketplaces in the world. Before that, you should create your account, and it's very easy to sign up. All we need to do is search for products related to our niche and take their links. For example, I will search for motivation to study. As you can see here, we got various products that we can choose from. You can check them all and choose a good one. Look at this product, which is for study skills and techniques. See how it's very suitable and fit for our niche. And here, we will get $13.24 in average for each conversion that comes through our link. So, click on Promote, then click on Create Hop Link. Our link is ready now. Click on Copy. In this case, we got an affiliate link for this product, which we can add it in the description. And for those people who will like the product and buy through this link, we're gonna earn commission for each conversion. Also, we can edit this generated link to be more attractive and shorter than this one. To do this, let's head to this website, which is bit.ly.com. No need to sign up, only scroll down and paste your link here. Then click Shorten. See how it becomes shorter, easier, and more attractive than the old. Click on Copy. After that, go back to the description of your video. Write a sentence to encourage people to click on your link. Then paste your link down here, so everyone who will check the description will see this link. As you can see here, because this YouTube channel is new, it's going to ask you for a verification, and this will be only for the first time. It's a standard and simple process. Choose the suitable one for you and do the verification. After that, you'll be able to publish links in the description. In this case, we explained in details how we can earn money from generating YouTube videos. And if you don't like this method and you want to know about other methods for earning money online, check the other videos on my channel. That's all for today's video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment, and please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel as it encourages me to create more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.